Ellen again. If you had a choice of watering vegetables for an hour via wobblers once a day or twice a day, which would you choose? Also, what length of time would you recommend if all vegetables were treated the same? Well, great question, and it depends on the season. In the summer, I'd prefer to water twice a day. Then this is what, up at our farm, that's what we're doing, is all the sprinklers come on around noon, either drip or wobblers, depending on what the block is, and they water for half an hour, and then they come on again in the evening after the sun goes down and the winds die down, to water again for another half an hour. I never really water an hour, but that could be just for my soil and my conditions. There could be a reason to water for an hour. I don't know your exact conditions, but it just depends. It really depends on your soil too. Like with sandier soils, it's better to water more frequently. Like I've seen some soils in Florida that are so sandy that they're watering, like in the summertime, they'll water every 2 hours because the water just goes down so quick. So more frequent waterings are better. Whereas some clay soils that are really heavy, it's better just to do one good soaking, and then that's all you need. It just depends on your conditions, and it depends on the time of the year.